from Mawego, helping the instructor to coordinate the students. Today we were at Kisii to take the student for the exam test for the revision of their driving license. We had just completed the session of the practical, the theory part. We were heading for the practicals, whereby students are forced to drive the vehicles physically on the highway for them to be awarded their driving license. As we were just leaving the exam center, we were maneuvering in the town. As we were approaching, we were at the Huduma Center, whereby we passed a group of people. They were doing the cleaning of the car. In our journey, we stopped at the Imperial Driving School to collect one of the instructors that is going to help us in the session of the exam coordinating of the students. Then a group of people approached the vehicle where we were on, whereby the driver and the instructor was harassed. His shirt was torn, and I was on the co-driver's side, whereby a group of people approached me and asked me like am I the trainer? Then I said, is there any problem? I was not given a chance to explain. They alighted me from the vehicle and I was forced to board the motorbike, where there were two people behind me that they thought I might escape or I might jump from the motorbike. So they headed with me to a corridor where I could not tell, because I actually not familiar with Kisii. Having reached that corridor, I was asked that, what amount am I having? They were demanding 5,000. Then I said, with me, I have no money, I have no cash. I was forced to remove my phone, whereby I did not remove it from the pocket on my own. One of the boys, after we are alighted from the motorbike and have been taken to the corridor, one of the boys removed it from my pocket, and I was told I removed the fingerprint, of which I had no choice, because the other guy was having a whip. He was showing me, and then the corridor, I was scared. I removed the fingerprints, whereby he interrogated my phone. He went to the pesa side. He tried to withdraw 5,000, which failed, and later on he put the agent number, the store number, and then he put the amount 500, and I was forced to insert the M-Pesa pin, which I did, and then the transaction went through. Afterwards, he deleted the message and handed me back the phone, and he told me that I have to find my ways and never to tell anybody what had happened. So that is how things have happened, and I'm not pleased with the situation I've encountered in Busiland.
Naitwa Natasha, and we came here for exams. Tulikuja asubuhi tukafanya theory, and hapo around when we were going for practical, kuna chupa ilitupwa. So a few people were claiming to be watu wa government, wakakuja saying that kuna mtu amerusha chupa, and like we're supposed to own up to join nani. So I think the chairman akakuja akadhani like nilikuwa na record. Akakuja hadi akaangalia simu yangu, alinyang'anya simu. Akakuja akaangalia, akaona like there was a photo but it wasn't a recording. Akaichukua, akasema anaenda kunichapa, anirushe kwa takataka, nibaki huko nikiokota takataka for the rest of my life. They wanted to take so many things from me, but ni vile nilikuja nikasaidia. Wakafunga hadi entrance ya lori, wakaanza kuchapa watu, wakirusha takataka ndani. So yeah, just because like it's not fair, the fact that I'm a girl na nimekuwa harassed, and I just wish we take action, because imagine the number of people when you wanaharasiwa hapa nje because of the same, and I don't feel like it's fair. Yeah.
If this is the way, if this is the way these people are going to act, watu ni watu wamepewa wafagie, lakini they have extended their powers, but they go terrorize town. This is wrong. What's happening with these people? These guys.
Apa tu? Hii gani ya shule?
I concede.
Hiyo vitu informal. Hiyo kwa boy. Oye no yo.